Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out the TCL K24 Prepaid from Straight Talk. Let's see what this budget phone offers and if it's worth picking up. Overview. The TCL K24 is listed on Straight Talk's site, but right now it's out of stock. It requires a plan purchase to activate, and SmartPay financing is available for monthly installments. The exact retail price isn't listed yet, so availability and cost might change soon. Specs and features. Here's what you get with the TCL K24. Display, 6.56-inch HD plus NXT Vision screen, 720 by 1612. Battery, 4,000 mAh battery with up to 33 hours and 36 minutes of talk time. Memory and storage, 4 GB, RAM and 64 GB storage, expandable to 512 GB via microSD. Cameras, 8 megapixel rear and 2 megapixel front. Network, LTE only with Wi-Fi and hotspot support. Build, 2.95 inches wide, 6.47 inches tall, and 0.33 inches thick, weighing about 6.14 ounces. Software, Android 14 with Face Unlock. In the box, phone, charger, cable, and quick start guide. It's clearly built for everyday use, calls, browsing, and social media, not heavy gaming or photography. Pros and cons. Pros: affordable and simple, strong battery life for casual users, expandable storage, Straight Talk's prepaid freedom. Cons: no 5G support, basic cameras, HD display only, out of stock status and unclear price. If you just need something reliable for essentials, it should hold up fine. Power users, though, might find it too limited. Who it's for. This phone fits anyone needing a low-cost backup, a first smartphone, or a dependable daily driver on a tight budget. If you want more performance, check other Straight Talk models with 5G and better cameras. Outro. And that's my quick look at the TCL K24 Prepaid. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss future tech videos. Comment below. Would you grab this phone or wait for something else? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.